So I got everything wired. So I wired up the fans. Pretty sure I got all the components for the power, USB, HD audio, and a reset button wired. I have, I think, the CPU hooked up for the power there and the main motherboard. So this is going to be a test run. I don't have the monitor for this yet to boot it, but I just want to test the power. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. So we got power, and I'm going to hit the power button. So 3, 2, 1. Alright. So it seems like all the fans are running. The CPU fan is running. That. Got the power supply obviously powering everything, so the graphics card is obviously running. So looks good. So the next step is I got a monitor on the way. Already got a mouse and keyboard, so we're gonna get it booted up into the motherboard BIOS or whatever, and then get Windows installed. So